Boo. And welcome to another episode of Playtime with Mellow Jello. Today we have who's that? Sleeping Beauty and Snow White and Superman. All right, kids, and we're doing a fidget spinner challenge. Let's go.
It's playtime with Mellow Jello.
What do you have there? We got a blue one?
Yes.
We got a blue one?
Yes.
Yeah?
A blue one, a white one, and a green one.
Oh, and a green one?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ow. Ooh, ow, that hurts. Ow. Ooh, that hurts. My teeth. Ah. Ooh. Alright, kids. So, we're going to do a challenge. So, let's see. Let me see. So, I guess we're going to spin it, right?
Yes.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Alright. So, spin it.
The first challenge is to spin it on the table, and whoever spins the fastest and the longest gets 1 point.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, can you get a kiss on the forehead?
Yeah.
Ah! can I? Ah! Okay. Kiss. Kiss for good luck. Ah! Okay. All right. Now spin it. Hey, where's Superman at?
He's right down there.
Ah! He likes to play hide and go seek. All right. Let's spin your fidget. Let's spin it. 1, 2, and 3. Go! Ooh, wow, this is so exciting, guys. This is the moment of truth. Oh no, Sleeping Beauties. Your fidget spinner went to sleep.
Yeah. Oh no! I'm just going to win. Me.
Who's going to win?
Austin.
What?
Austin's going to win.
Austin's going to win?
Yeah. See?
Oh wait, no, not Austin. He's Superman. Wait, so who won?
Me. Superman.
Superman? You won?
1 point.
So
for
wait.
Superman.
So wait. So what do you get when you win?
A surprise egg.
A surprise egg?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was exciting, guys. The first challenge was so cool. Hey, Sleeping Beauty. What's the next challenge?
The second challenge is to spin it on your thumb and see who can leave it on the thumb the longest.
That is so cool. That's so cool, kids. Let's watch you guys do it. Okay, all right. Let's see who can spin it on the thumb the longest. Okay, get ready. All right, 1,
Get ready, come on, Mama.
2, and 3. Go. Oh, and Superman lost. Uh-oh. Who's gonna win?
Me.
Who's gonna win? Keep it there. Just because it stopped doesn't mean you stop. Keep it there. See who can balance the longest.
I'm in.
Wow.
I'm in.
Alright, looks like Mellow Jello won this challenge. No!
Me.
Ah. Alright, kids, that was exciting, right? The first one and the second challenge was awesome.
Easy one.
Hey, guys, hey girls. So what's the next challenge here?
We
Huh?
are gonna be doing the princess fidget spinner.
What is it called? What?
The princess fidget spinner.
What?
Challenge.
What?
Challenge.
What?
The princess fidget spinner challenge.
Alright, let's do this. That's so cool. Superman's gone. Oh, well. Go.
Oh, he's back.
Oh, wow. That's how you do it.
Austin, do it.
That's how you do it. Snow White lost. Snow White lost. Wow. Beauty. Sleeping Beauty. You won. Wow. MC. Can you do that again for me? Let me see you do it. Show the people on YouTube how you do it.
I did it. That's how you do it. And put it on there. And pretend like a princess in your hand.
Like this? You mean like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, yes, you lost. I mean, won. You won.
We won.
Yeah, you won. Okay. Yes, you won. Yes, you won.
We all won.
Bad Superman. Bad Superman.
We all won the challenge.
All right. Who won
All of
today?
us.
Oh, Mommy's giving you guys a surprise egg.
We all won.
Good job.
Superman, come help open.
Superman, break it with your strength.
Break it.
Superman, break it with your strength. Come on. How about your like super strength, like with your eyes, you know, when you're mad,
Rosie.
like turn to fire or something.
Rosie, look. Let me show.
What?
Look.
What? Whoa! Is that cool?
Ow.
Wow, that's so
Ow. Owie. Wreck it.
Wow.
Ow.
Oh, that's so cool, kids. Hey guys.
Hi.
So, wow, you guys won a surprise egg, and can you show us what you got in there?
Yeah. Candy. Stickers.
Stickers?
Lots of candies and lots of stickers.
Lots of candies and lots of stickers. What?
Candy.
She said, candy!
Candy.
Wow. Wow. Cool. And cool. Whoa, candy's just everywhere. Yummy. Wow, I want more. It tastes so good.
So much candy.
Hey, who's gonna take me to a dentist after this?
Me. I will go with Snow White too. Take you to the dentist. Wait. Say ah.
Hey, can't give
Say
Bruce is getting sick now.
so good too. Say ah. Say ah. It's so good. Bye. Bye.
Alright, guys, that's enough candy for me. My mom's gonna get mad. Okay, say bye to your YouTuber friends. See ya, YouTubers, and thank you for watching. And also, please subscribe. We love you. See ya.